Now it's time to connect your Siena unit to the Wi-Fi network. Make sure that the serial number on your screen matches the one on the side of the unit. Now input the Lewden Connect password found on the warranty page in your guide and input it into this field. Then press confirm. This will take you to the main page of the Lewden Connect app. Then tap Basic Setting, then tap Network Configuration, and then tap Wi-Fi. Here you will have to input your Wi-Fi network name, and then in the box underneath you'll have to input your Wi-Fi password. Then press Save. Tap OK and tap the top left arrow twice to go back to the main page. Here, tap Device Reboot and press Confirm to apply your settings. This will begin your Siena boot up process, which will last 30 seconds of the blue light flashing. Then the light will go solid blue for 60 seconds. If after 60 seconds the light is still solid blue, it is successfully connected. If it begins flashing blue and green, that means the details that you have input into the Wi-Fi are wrong. Follow the steps again and try again.